Looking promising. We got some yellow iron sitting around. Park over here, see what we got. Looks like Bob's truck. Yep, there's the engine block. That's what we're looking for right there. Well, I just called Bob, but he's not here. So I'm going to see about getting this unloaded. Maybe I can slide it in the truck myself. Frozen down. Frozen down to the trailer deck yet. That's why I couldn't move it at first. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is time to flip 1113. The day has arrived, so we have it kind of lined up with the doors ready to shoot it outside. And once we begin the lifting and the slinging, I'm not going to take any time to talk, so I'll just kind of run you through what's going to happen real quick right now. I'm not going to put the stand on this until we have it right side up, because you know it's going to put my pivoting corners up and out here, and that's just a lot of elevation to get, and then to have to over center and keep it under control without anything flopping too hard. So as usual with these, I choose to keep it low and keep it controllable. So we're going to rotate it this way. I've got lifting brackets on the radiator support and on the bell housing. The initial lift is going to take it about to a 45. We will put blocking beneath it, have plywood ready to slowly rotate it over. It'll rest on the side of the intermediate and front cover here, and this side of the bell housing here. That will protect the accessory shaft and all of that. Plus, this is such a nice flat surface for it to sit on. We will then take the lifting brackets off, relocate them, sling it, and in a controlled manner, bring it up vertical, get it all suspended, and then I will quickly assemble the cart under it. We have it about half put together already. And hopefully that's all going to go off without a hitch. Let's just do it. Anytime. There. It's all done. So I must admit, I feel a lot better about things now, knowing that I'm not going to come out here and find 1113's engine on the side on the floor because the cart that's underneath it decided to to give out. Really, the whole mount up process went pretty well. Flipping it pretty much went off without a hitch. So quite happy about that. A couple details about this. I made sure to put a hole right here so that I had access into this this bore in here. That's going to come in handy for installing that pinion engagement lever, so I didn't want to block myself out of that little spot right there. I also ran this channel front to rear to provide some stiffening action there. I wasn't too worried about, you know, the spread I have on the bolts on these back ones. That's going to resist a lot of torque, but the bolt pattern on this radiator support was not very big, not much of a spread on there, so I probably could have got by without that bar, but you know, I'd rather have it plenty heavy duty. And this is a stand that's going to be stout enough for me to even be able to do a test run of this. And it might look a little bit overbuilt now, but as the radiator goes on, cylinder head goes on, starting engine goes on the back, we'll grow into it, and this is not going to look any bit overbuilt. It's actually going to, I'd say, match the engine quite well once it's most of the way assembled. So, all right, I know it's a little bit shorter of a video today, but I'm exhausted. That was a little bit stressful. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in again.